Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic, and in this one we specifically going to talk about Microsoft Word Alternative. The software today I will be talking about also comes in free version just like Office Online. So let me actually open Office Online, and apart from that, and let me also open Microsoft Word here. And the reason why I am opening Office Online because this one is also free, right? So this is how online variant of Microsoft Word look like, which is absolutely free as we are aware of. And right now, I guess by default, the dark theme is enabled, which we can switch by going here on this lower right corner. And if I hit at this switch to light background mode, but at the same time, I not only want to change the background of the document, but also of entire application. And to do that, we may require to go to View tab, and we need to click here on this enabled dark background. Okay, so it looks now more readable, I would say. Now let me click here on another tab, and I'm gonna open Zoho Office. So let's click here. And if you are visiting Zoho for the first time, it is very easy to create account in Zoho. You can simply use your Google account to sign in. I'm gonna provide the link in the description of this video. Now let's click here on try Zoho Office. And here we go. Here we can see what we are getting is these three apps, which is Zoho Writer, Seats and Show. So let's click here on Writer. And now let's click here on Start Writing. Okay, so this is how the interface of Writer look like. I'm gonna say Zoho Writer have got entirely different interface. It does not mimic or try to mimic Microsoft Office. They have their own way of doing things. And now let me actually put them side by side. And before actually I compare them side by side, let me again make it full screen. So here we can see create new and blank document. Okay, so here is how this Zoho look like. And here again, we can see it have got a very different approach than Microsoft Word. So I would say it have got completely new style. Instead of ribbon based interface, here we can see a very clean and minimalistic look. And everything you're gonna have here in left hand side sidebar. So the menu here is vertical instead of horizontal in Microsoft Word. And then you're gonna see all these settings that are required to set it up. So I'm gonna say in a way it is good, because if I see here, and let me actually make it full screen to show you what I mean to say. This is the whole area that could be utilized in a form of active workspace that currently we are not using it. And then there is huge amount of space on both left and right that are unutilized. So if we keep hold this thing on left or right hand side, I would say that would be even better utilization of space. And the same we can see it here happening in case of Zoho Writer. That's why I would say this design is more pragmatic than compared to traditional this ribbon like interface. And now not only you can have these traditional options where you can add all basic functions, for example images, table, drawing, even I would say there are equations, drawing, where probably we can create shapes, or and then we can insert it here. And apart from these legacy tools, we also can see we have got this new age AI prompt kind of interface. And here we can see if you type /, you're gonna see lots of commands are now directly available, which definitely going to improve your speed. If let's say we use keyboard a lot, so you do not need to switch your hand from keyboard back to mouse, because you know the shortcut, and then that's how we can quickly type the things. So again, let me press this, and I'm gonna go underline, So this is gonna make your whole experience even more faster. And here we also have got this magic wand kind of thing where we can ask Zia to write something. So I'm gonna say write about YouTube, a paragraph. And now let me ask this AI what kind of content it come up with. And there we go. Now I can insert this AI generated content here. And the good thing about Zoho is that here you do not see any adware that we used to see in case of WPS. So I would say it is even better in terms of, you're not going to get bombarded with ads in case of pre version of WPS. So I'm gonna say it is definitely entirely new way to interact with your Word document where you're not only going to get these legacy or traditional options, but also the AI capability. And by pressing this forward slash, it going to improve your typing experience because you are not lifting your hands out of your keyboard. You can do everything with your keyboard. And the cherry on the top is obviously the AI capability that is again coming for free, and there are no ads at all. Zoho Writer, I would say, definitely have potential to beat the best. What is your opinion about this Zoho Writer? Please do let us know and comment down below. And for more such videos, I would consider you to subscribe to Technoholic as we keep on bringing more such productivity video that are going to make a real impact in our productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.